Hey, this is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. Today in this video we're going to be talking about audio problems in Windows 10. So here recently, Windows has been releasing a few updates that have been questionably well enough tested, and they've had some adverse effects. And one of the issues is being the audio on Windows and people not being able to use or play different things. So we're going to take a look at a couple of the common fixes for that. So we're going to start off by going down here to this little toolbar, and we're going to right click on this and click Sounds. This is the window that you're looking for. Here's both playback and recording. So if you're having problems with actually audio playback, you need to be in this menu. If you're having problems with recording audio or using a microphone that you know your computer has, you're going to be on this screen. Well, I'm going to go ahead and close out of this screen because I have it pulled up on my computer that has a few more devices in it. So here's my local computer. This would look more similar to yours, except for yours will probably have those hidden. So what you want to do, if yours list devices here, but the one that you're looking for is not listed, you want to right click, say show disabled devices, right click and show disconnected devices. And these disconnected devices aren't necessarily important to you as much as the disabled. The disabled devices, if you disable this unit, it'll look like this. And there's been several times that if somebody's called me with an issue about this, that all it is the device for some reason during the update had been disabled. So all you have to do is find that disabled device that says speakers, which is obviously in most cases the one that a lot of people would want to use. Right click and enable, and then click on it and click this and say set as default device. The other thing that I've seen is that the default device has just been changed, and for some reason it doesn't revert to the other one. Again, you should just be able to click on the one that you want and click set default. So in most cases, that seems to take care of it. You can see the same way. I purposefully have this one disabled here, but in the case of a recording, the same way, this here may not be, the right device may not be selected, or it may be accidentally disabled. So, this is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. We'll see you again in the next video.